Hey guys, I'm back with another amazing video in the series. In this video, we will dive deep into strategy number one, that is, write clear instructions. And in this strategy, we will explore six tactics. Tactic number one, when interacting with the model, clarity is key. The better you express your query, the more relevant response will be, including important details in your questions to avoid ambiguity. Let's understand every tactic with example. Let's consider you need to add numbers in Excel sheet. In worst case scenario, you will say chat GPT, how do I add numbers in Excel? But according to tactic number one, you need to say better than this, how do I add up a row of dollar amount in Excel? I want to do this automatically for a whole sheet of rows with all the totals ending up on the right in the column called total. Let's see another example. In worst case, summarize the meeting notes. And in the better case, you will say summarize the meeting notes in a single paragraph. Then write a markdown list of the speakers and each of their key points. Finally, list the next steps or action items suggested by the speaker, if any. Let's move to the tactic number two. Ask the model to adopt persona. What is persona? A persona refers to a specific style or tone of language that a user adopts when interacting with a model. You can personalize the model response by asking it to adopt a specific persona. This adds a unique touch to the answer. For example, your system can say you that when I ask for help to write something, you will reply with a document that contains at least one joke or playful comment in every paragraph. Here user can say that write a thank you note to my steel bolt vendor for getting the delivery on time and in short notice. This made it possible for us to deliver an important order. Tactic number 3. Use delimiters to clearly indicate distinct part of input. Use delimiters like triple quotes, mark, XML tags, or section tiles to distinguish section of text. This helps in treating different part of input differently. For example, here user say summarize the text delimited by triple quotes like this, and system says you will provide with a pair of articles delimited with XML text about that same topic, and so on that. Tactic number 4. Specify the steps required to complete a task. Some tasks are best described as a sequence of steps. Provide explicit instructions for model to follow. For example, step 1. Summarize the text in one sentence with a prefix that says summary. In the step 2, translate the summary from step 1 into Spanish with a prefix that says translation. Tactic number 5. Provide examples. Using examples helps the model understand the desired style or approach, like teaching through demonstration. For example, answer in consistent style. User, teach me about patience. Your assistant says, the river that carves the deeply valley, and so on that. Tactic number 6. Specify the desired length of output. Instruct the model on the desired length of the response, whether in words, sentences, paragraphs, or other units. For example, summarize the text delimited by triple quotes in 50 words. And another example is summarize the text delimited by triple quotes in 2 paragraphs. In short, the 6 tactics are as follows. First, be clear and specific in your questions. Second, ask the model to adopt a certain style or persona for a personal touch. Third, use delimiters like triple quotes or tags to distinguish different parts of your inputs. Fourth, provide step by step instructions for tasks. Fifth, Use examples to help the model understand your desired approach. 6. Specify the length you want to for the response, whether in words, sentence, or paragraph. Make sure you can apply this all 6 tactics in your prompt on ChatGPT. There you have it, folks. 6 tactics of strategy number 1 to unlock the potential of language model. Clear instructions lead to precise responses. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for the next video where we will dive deeper into the second strategy of prompt crafting. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.